So 5 hours later, or some 5 hours later, the bike has been dismantled, installed and put back together. James?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to run us through what you've done?
Well, what a difference a day makes, eh? Right, so what we've done, obviously you saw the previous videos where we dismantled the bike and it was looking very, very naked, but that's what was needed to professionally install everything to the standard. The big highlight of what we've done today is this front end here. So obviously you cannot miss them now, these incredible the Lone Rider motor lights. They are still, in my opinion, the best smart lights or best lights for any bike of any size, especially on these BMWs. These have been fitted pride of place with the Lone Rider mounts, which I think we were discussing earlier, positions them in probably the best position possible for.
Yeah, I'd agree. Totally agree.
It just looks amazing, doesn't it? So we fitted them there. We've also programmed them and customized them to your specifications. And there's loads of customization you can do. We've also, while we had the front end out, we've also installed this, the incredible new, very new, you're still one of the first people to have one, Lone Rider headlight guard for the GS Adventure. That just finishes it lovely. And you'll see in some cutaways in a second that when you turn the bike on, you've got the amber for the four corners of the X, you've got the amber rings here. I think that just really makes the bike stand out lovely. As we come around to this side, the only thing that's visible of the second thing we've done is this switch here. So that switch is the Heeltech exhaust eliminator servo switch, which very basically means at the click of a switch, we can change how the exhaust responds. So there's three settings on it, 1, 0 and 2. 1 will physically close the valve. Now, the only time you're really going to need that is when you're moving the bike around, let's say in the morning, and you don't want to annoy your neighbours or anything like that. It will close the valve and keep it nice and quiet. Brilliant. 0 is factory setting. So that tells the bike that there's nothing plugged into it and it's exactly how the bike would normally behave. Absolutely fine if you want to, but personally, number 2 is where it's all at. By flicking it down to number 2, which can be done while you're riding, it can be done while you're stationary, it can be done while the bike's on or off, it doesn't matter. That will open the valve and it makes it sound absolutely incredible. Next thing we've done is the tail end of the bike. Now, the tail end of the bike used to be a bit of a safety feature against safety feature in our opinion, because it was only these two lights here. Now, they're great. They're very, very smart. They are running lights, brake lights, and indicators all in one. But what we've done now is recode how these lights work using the Weiser Wizards dongles. So now when you indicate, the red for that particular side goes out. The only downside of that, of course, was that you were losing 50% of your braking. How have we got around that? By installing the upper and lower B6 brake lights. Now, obviously, Denali do this one as standard. That's the under number plate brake light. And then we here at Shiny Side Up now do our upper level mounts to position that B6 where the factory bikes used to have them. So it looks absolutely amazing. In fact, I can do a demonstration while you're looking now. So when you first turn the bike on, it does a quick demonstration how bright they can be. Very, very bright, of course. Of course, now as we indicate, it is obvious you're indicating, especially while braking. There's no way that you can get around that. No way you can not see that you're indicating both left and right. We've also opted to turn the red off completely when you put your hazards on, again making it extremely clear that you've got the hazards on. Even when you put the brake on there, it's very, very clear. So a pretty successful day, I think, all in all.
It's been amazing, mate. It's been amazing to watch you dismantle this bike to, what did you say, 85, 90 screws to come out?
Depending on how far you need to go, I think we did about 65 for this particular install. Screws, bolts and everything.
And to my surprise, there is not one left over. So it's been a very good installation. It's been amazing to watch. Thank you so much, James. It's been absolutely brilliant. The bike looks amazing. I'm going to be seen and I'm going to be heard as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah, brilliant.
Well, there you go. Thank you for coming down. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you, Shiny Side Up.